The meat of the taco for this recipe is made from almonds and sunflower seeds, raw almonds and raw sunflower seeds. I also use lemon, purple onion, the dulce seasoning, which is the triple seaweed flakes, Himalayan pink salt, apple cider vinegar. As far as the parsley, out, handy dandy citrus squeeze, blend seaweed flakes, apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to stuff the avocado with the vegan tuna. And I'm glad that I found this particular recipe because, y'all, I'm a seafood girl. Y'all already know that. So the flakes, the seaweed flakes kind of give it that. I'm going to go ahead and put the tuna in the romaine lettuce leaves.